Ever gaze into a mirror and notice dark spots marring your complexion? Wonder how these impact your self-confidence? Dark spots, often the result of excessive sun exposure or aging, can indeed affect our self-image. They can make us feel less confident, less radiant. But here's the silver lining. Nature has gifted us with solutions. There's a world of natural oils and essential oils out there that can help fade these spots. But worry not, nature has provided us with some wonderful solutions. Let's dive into the world of oils and essential oils that can help erase those pesky dark spots. First up, we have the Zesty Lemon Essential Oil, a powerhouse in skin lightening. This vibrant citrusy oil boasts natural bleaching properties and is packed with vitamin C, known for its skin brightening benefits. Here's how to use it. First, dilute a few drops of lemon essential oil in a carrier oil. Then, gently apply to the targeted areas of your skin. Be patient. The magic of this oil works gradually over time. Remember, although lemon essential oil is beneficial, it's potent. Always dilute it before applying it to your skin. Next in line is rosehip oil, your ally in the fight against dark spots. A treasure trove of vitamins A and C, rosehip oil has the power to reduce hyperpigmentation. It's easy to make it part of your skincare routine. Just add a few drops to your moisturizer or apply it directly to your face before bedtime. Remember, the magic of rosehip oil lies in consistent use. With rosehip oil, patience is key. Give it time and your skin will thank you. Now, meet frankincense essential oil, an ancient remedy for modern skin woes. This oil, extracted from the resin of the boswellia tree, boasts powerful anti-inflammatory and cytophylactic properties. These qualities make it an excellent choice for reducing dark spots and promoting healthy skin cell regeneration. To harness the potency of frankincense essential oil, simply mix a few drops with your favorite carrier oil, such as jojoba or sweet almond, and apply gently to the affected area. Like all essential oils, remember to dilute frankincense essential oil before using it on your skin. Pomegranate seed oil, a lesser-known secret for radiant skin. This amazing oil is packed with potent antioxidants and punicic acid, which stimulate cell regeneration and help to reduce hyperpigmentation. This means it's great for tackling those stubborn dark spots. To use it, simply add a few drops to your daily moisturizer or apply it directly to the skin before bed. Remember, beauty isn't overnight. Be patient and consistent. A few drops of pomegranate seed oil can go a long way in rejuvenating your skin. Last but not least, we have a trio of essential oils: carrot seed, geranium, and lavender. Each of these oils brings its unique charm to the table. Carrot seed essential oil, rich in antioxidants, helps rejuvenate the skin and combat dark spots. Geranium essential oil, on the other hand, is known for its ability to even out skin tone and revive dull skin. Then there's lavender essential oil, a popular choice for many skincare enthusiasts. It not only soothes the skin but also aids in skin cell regeneration, helping to fade those stubborn dark spots. To use these oils effectively, mix a few drops with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. Apply the blend to the affected areas before bedtime and let it work its magic overnight. Remember, consistency is key when using these oils. Give your skin the time it needs to heal and regenerate. So there you have it, 7 oils and essential oils to help combat dark spots. From the zesty power of lemon essential oil to the nourishing benefits of rosehip oil, each one has its own unique properties to help you on your journey to beautiful, clear skin. Don't forget the potency of frankincense, the efficiency of pomegranate seed oil, and the brilliance of other essential oils, all waiting for you to give them a try. Remember, every skin is unique. What works for one might not work for another. But with patience and consistency, you're on your way to spotless, radiant skin.